Alright, so here we have a super handy cable for your Starlink. So at one end you get 3 power sources. So this cable's like 5 meters in length. At one end is going to go up to the other Starlink. Show you that in a second. And the other end has 3 different like power sources. So like one, you could like plug it into your like wall adapter, or a different like DC power outlet that it comes with. 2, you got to use like a USB-C. So if you had a big enough like a power bank or like something to run your Starlink off, you could power it off here. And 3 is your cigarette lighter from your car. So the only thing you got to be a little bit aware of is the power coming in here normally needs to be above like 90 watt. So sometimes on some like cigarette lighters in cars there isn't enough grunt. If you've got 2, normally one of them will be 120 watt one, so that'd be like plenty. And again, if it's from a power bank, sometimes they have to be over at least like 90 watt. And the DC one's pretty straightforward because that's probably going to go into your original wall adapter. So that's basically that. And the other end of the cable, sort of fairly straightforward. I've just front the roof for an example here, but the other end of the cable is just a high quality waterproof connector. That's going to go into the back of the Starlink there. That's like that. So fairly straightforward. Cigarette lighter, get a green light like come up here that shows it's like working. And you're good to go. Yeah, these other 2 obviously it's just like an all-in one like purpose cable, so you can just have this one cable for like everything. And then that is going to power up their Starlink, and that is as good as that. So real easy a way to have your Starlink all powered up.